Jake here for American Trucks, and today I'm taking a look at this LED third brake light in black, fitting 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500s with the cargo light. If you're looking for an easy way to upgrade your third brake light, whether it's for the sake of looks, safety, or just replacing your original one, then this is going to appeal to you. It features a stealthy black housing, OEM grade construction, and some cool lighting elements that make this a really excellent option for any build. Now, a third brake light is a necessary safety item, but that doesn't mean that it has to be boring. With the black internal housing and some cool LED lights inside, this one goes beyond just looking good. The middle section here is going to function as your brake light and lights up these cool little light bar elements inside. It's a nice bright red, it's definitely brighter than your factory setup, and it really kind of works with these different type of light bar lighting setups that we see on taillights becoming so popular recently. So this one definitely won't be missed by other motorists out on the road, and not just because of the cool style. It's going to put off a lot of light, and the style itself is also going to match up pretty well if you've got a set of light bar taillights on your truck too. Now, the outer portions of this light are going to function as your bed light too, so you get more super bright LEDs. These ones are just white, so you're going to be able to retain that function, but you'll have some enhanced lighting in the back as well for hauling stuff in the dark. Makes it a lot easier to access things in the bed when light is scarce, so they solve that problem for you right there. No holding your phone or a flashlight. This is a full LED setup, so there are no incandescent bulbs to worry about here, meaning that this is going to have a nice long life. You don't have to stress over replacing bulbs. There's also no flickering or hyper flashing like you can sometimes get with just slapping a set of LEDs into standard housing too. The outer housing is constructed from OEM grade ABS plastic, and the components are weather sealed. You've got some nice seals on the outer edges and on the inside too to help keep out dirt and moisture. Plus, you've got a nice polycarbonate lens over top. Now, polycarbonate and ABS are both super strong, and polycarbonate is very clear too. So this should look good for a long time, and it should withstand the test of time and basically whatever you can throw at it. Plus, again, you've got those LEDs inside, which are going to have a really nice long lifespan, so you're not going to have to worry about this one once you've got it in. Plus, installation is a cinch too. It's just one plug, but we'll talk more about that in a couple minutes. Pricing comes in at about $125, and that makes it a pretty affordable modification, especially considering how bright it is. So you're getting a really solid quality product that's going to increase your visibility and up your style game too. So if you're on the hunt for this type of upgrade, or you just need to replace your stock one, this is absolutely worth a look. Installation is going to come in at a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and this should only take you about 20 minutes to complete. Like I mentioned a moment ago, this is a totally plug and play install. Pigtails here, ready to go. It's just going to plug into your truck, and you're going to reuse your factory screws right here too. And it's only just the 2 of them. This is a very, very easy install to do at home. Not much more we can say about it here on the table. So with that, let's go ahead and throw it over to one of our AT customers who's going to walk you through the process.
The tools you'll need for this installation is a T20 Torx head. All right, all you're going to do is remove these 2 bolts. Once you have those removed, you're just gonna lightly pop out third brake light. And all you're gonna do is disconnect with this quick connect. And that's it. All right, now that we have the stock part removed, you're gonna take your aftermarket part, go back to your quick connect, simply plug in, and you're going to stuff the remainder of your wiring in here like so. Then you have 2 notches up top where it pops in. All right, once you have it popped in, you're going to take your stock screws, make sure it's seated in there flush, and then simply put them back in. That's your install.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the LED third brake light in black, fitting 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500s with a cargo light. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Silverado, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.